Was good, guys. So I know it's been a long time since I've posted. Um, my schedule's been a little just a little bad, maybe a little terrible, but y'all pulled it together and got me to 93 subs. Ooh. Chat, 93 subs. Yeah, I know, chat. Y'all are gonna be flaming me in the comments, be like, oh, you're so cringe, you play Steel Brain Rot. Yeah, well, I don't care. And the, the new fit is tough. I like it. Um, I am the Alpha Wolf. Just so you guys know, don't try anything. But I just want to talk about the new update on, Fireworks Playground. We got a bunch of new stuff. We got a bunch of fireworks. It's been a while since I played this. But, like, we got a bunch of, like, what is this? Like, I don't even know. These just look so good. I want to buy all of them. But my money, again, is kind of bad. Maybe a little bit terrible. But, like, we're just not gonna talk about that right now. But like I bought some of the new stuff here. I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, but I'll buy some stuff for the video. The Swiss ball, buy that. Here, I'll buy this for you guys too. Ooh, they got a new one. They got a new giant thingy. Whatchamajigger. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff they got, you know. There's Endless Summer. I think that's it. I think that's it that I bought, right? Limited. Let me see here. Chat. Yeah, practically on all of it. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff like this thingy. This, I don't know what this is. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough, bro. Holy, that looks so tough. It don't do anything. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the Endless Summer. That was hecka tough, chat. Alright, we're gonna do the Swiss cheese one. Alright. See this. Ooh, that's tough. That was low-key lame, chat. Not even gonna lie. I like this one. This one looks nice. That was hecka tough, chat. Alright, I might go live this weekend, live streaming admin abuses for Grow a Garden and Steal a Brain Rot. So chat, be ready. Tune into my live abuses, live admin abuses, and yeah, subscribe. Also, I'm looking for an editor, chat. So if any of y'all know how to edit my videos, please hook me up. Peace out.